Hi guys, I hope you're all studying well for May 2024 examination. This video is about the changes that have occurred in SFM, which is now being called as AFM Advanced Financial Management. As far as the content is concerned, there is one new topic that got added, and that is advanced capital budgeting decisions. Even this topic, guys, is nothing but the chapter that you had in your CA Inter risk analysis. 80%, 70 to 80% of this chapter is exactly the same that you have learned at CA Inter level risk analysis. If you try to recall better, you must have learned about computation of standard deviation, that is risk, computation of coefficient of variation. You did risk adjusted discounting rate, certainty equivalent approach, sensitivity analysis, you did scenario analysis. All of those topics are included in this chapter. Apart from that, we also have capital budgeting with inflation. We have simulation included in this chapter. We have computation of standard deviation risk under Hiller's model. So those are the changes. So you will have to do this entire chapter thoroughly. This topic is also being clubbed as far as weightage is concerned. They have clubbed with this topic with risk management and financial policy and strategy. The combined weightage is about 10 to 15%. So I believe they can ask a practical question for about 5 marks, or they can ask a practical question for about 8 marks. So this is what you should know as about this chapter is concerned. Next, guys, practical questions have been included in derivatives chapter. There are practical questions included on real options. I've included all those 3 questions here in the material. So real options is basically whether you should delay a particular investment or not, or if you've already invested, should you abandon that or not. So those questions. For this, you will need prior knowledge of binomial model, Black-Scholes model. So ensure that you revise those notes first and then go through the questions on real options. इसके अलावा बेटा, if you talk about the additions or changes that have occurred in the chapters, a good amount of theory has been added in derivatives. There is theory as such beta covered in portfolio. There's a lot of theory added in business valuation. ये business valuation, guys, earlier was termed as corporate valuation. Now they've changed the name of the chapter to business valuation. They've included valuation of startups. They've included valuation of digital platforms. So things like that, beta, you will be seeing theory hai beta pura. There's no practical topic again here. So all of that theory is there. I have given an index of all the 16 chapters. That does not mean that there are changes in all the 16 chapters as such, guys. Just if you look at security valuation, guys, very first topic, debt. This index is also as per the index that we have followed in class, guys, not ICI line of topics. So there is absolutely no change in debt securities. In equity securities, but a security valuation chapter, they have included details regarding registered valuer as to what will be the roles and responsibility of a valuer and what are the considerations that you should be looking into. So that's a theory part as such, guys. So like that, beta, whatever is the change I have included in this material. I will be rolling out videos on advanced capital budgeting decisions first, and then there are about 6 classes on advanced capital budgeting decisions. After that, beta, we have about 2 classes on derivatives. There's 1 class on portfolio theory, guys. Other content as such, guys, if it is required, anything that is required to be explained, I'll be rolling out videos. A little bit of theory that has been added is very simple to understand, so for which you will not be needing any classes. Just go through the theory once. It is very, very simple to understand. And iske alawa, beta, the updated weightages till November 2023, I'll be sharing that document directly in the Telegram group. You can go through that. And in case you have any doubts as such, guys, please feel free to ask in the group. I hope you all are studying well and you continue to study properly till the examinations. All the very best, guys. Keep in touch. Bye-bye.